Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Cluster Truck. I haven't played this, well I have this game. I've already gone through a lot of it, but we're back at World 1 for you guys. Here we go. Oh gosh, oh these, I'm free falling. So that one's not too hard. I do have slow motion and the mad dash forward. So it can't be that bad, can it? Oh, I can't even hear my own voice, I'm sorry. Okay. Level 3. Okay. Gotta remember to use my slow motion, guys, and my mad dash forward, cause why not? It's a new power up. Well, to me it is. I just got it before this episode. I am master. That's an achievement. Yep, being a master is an achievement. Shoot. Oh, I knew that would happen. I'm going so quick. Ow. Maybe because I know how to play. Ever think about that, huh? Okay, doing good. Gotta keep it up. It's obvious we would make that. It's a little too obvious. Okay. Oh my. Yes, it worked. Everything works because everything is awesome. Everything is cool when you're part of a team. Oh. Well, that wasn't that cool. I should have pointed it upwards. That would have helped a lot. Shoot! Oh, that was epic. Slow motion. Oh shoot. Okay, I need to snitch a cool replay. Shoot. Okay, that wasn't a replay to be memorable. Memorable. I was right at the end when I knew I couldn't make it. Okay, I need to make this like a boss. Except that's Cool Kid Jammer's catchphrase. Or Jacksepticeye's, either one. Makes sense why this is not easy. It's Cluster Truck. Not supposed to be easy. Woo! Okay, this is a definite win. A little too obvious. Okay. That was easy. I thought I failed. Okay. Level 2-1. 2-1, 2-1, 2-1. Let's save this replay because this level is level 2. I hit a tree. Nope. There, that's much better. No! Okay, let's see. No, that's not a replay. I'm sorry. It's not an actual replay. Okay, transitioning trucks. Not easy, but not that hard. When I've got the big leap. Because anything is freaking possible when you are playing Cluster Truck. Like, this is possible. Thank you. Oh, that last truck. He was just amazing. So nice. Oh, great. I love this level. Best level in history of gaming on Cluster Truck. I can't make this. Oh, wait, yes, I can. That didn't work. No wonder. Oh! I couldn't fix that because I used. Oh, you know, the thing about this game is it actually makes me duck or move to the side. It's like what this game does to me. It's amazing. It should be valued forever. Whoa, oh, I failed. Sorry, I kinda went off for a second. Ow. I can't. It's amazing how many levels I can get done in one video. One almost 15-minute video. This game. Great. My legs get hit and I absolutely get beasted. Can somebody help me from above? No, like seriously, just play this game and help me. Okay, this is the one. I can feel it. I feel that you are up above. Wasted it. Okay. Somebody help me. Help me, 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 help me. I felt that. An epic moment. And another epic moment ruined. Okay. I could just keep on moving sideways, but that would not be fun, would it? Oh, I need to jump up. But I can't jump that high, so it makes sense. I've already played through this game, a lot. I know what to do in these scenarios. That's not fun, is it? That was cool. Shoot, why can't I duck? I need to be able to duck in this game. That would help me so much. Please have an update where you can duck. I mean, I can't duck that low, so it wouldn't really help me on this level. Okay, that should do us a bit of good. Until it recharges, which it just did. Good. Strange, I like saying good. Good. Okay. Okay, I landed. Land. Nope, I've got this one in the bag. Okay, still got time. I'm just gonna finish this level and then the video will be over. Oh gosh, this is not gonna go too well, is it? I need to finish this level before I can end the video. My little lucky voice inside says I need to. Speed run it. Speed run it. Speed run it. No! Okay, I still got time. Okay, so if you can't tell, this is an actual screen recorder test, and it seems to be working out pretty well. And I already know I can post it up on YouTube, so I already got you there. If it's below under 15 minutes. I only have 3 minutes left, though. And I don't think I can complete this level in that amount of time. I'll have to end the video after I'm done this level, like exactly after I'm done this level. It's kind of a rush, if you ask a YouTuber. Come on! Okay, okay. Yes! Main menu. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. I will be doing a part 2 to this. See ya and goodbye. Whoop!